Hey everyone, it's Steve, back at Kettle Haven Ranch. We're on the selfie stick today, so it might be bouncing around a little bit. But it is February 2nd, and this is our 25th video. Wow! Big celebration here. Over 1,000 views on our channel. Thank you everyone. We're up to a whopping 28 subscribers. Thank you each and every one of you. Appreciate you sticking along for the ride. We've had a warm spell here at the ranch, a couple days in the 50s, which is unheard of. So behind me you can see the lack of snow. It's pretty apparent, but we have snow forecasted pretty much for the rest of the week. It'll all come back. I was just out checking the muck pile, and I'll throw in a little insert here showing that not much is going on in there. It's been too cold overall, but did a quick flip of the muck pile, get the enzymes going, moving around in there, and started a new muck pile. This will be one that will go a little bit further into the year, or it might even catch up to the original one by the time we get in the middle of spring. But other news here at the ranch, we've had indications of pretty severe predators coming through. Whether it's the cougar or whether it's the wolves, we are right in the pathway of the communications between a couple different wolf packs here in northeastern Washington. They come right along the riverbank, right across our property. The wolf packs here intermingle and breed amongst themselves, so we have a lot of traffic during certain times of the year through the valley floor, right along the edge of the river. Why do I know that we have a big predator? Yesterday in the afternoon, we had deer coming out of the east. We had big herds of them, probably a total of 30 or 40 deer across the property in different and at full speed at different times within about an hour, 2-hour period in that range. The dogs are on alert, the horses are on alert. Even had a red-tailed hawk making a lot of noise. I'm not sure why he was, or she. And later on in the evening we heard howling in the distance, and the coyotes, we have 3 resident coyote packs here. We have an east pack, a west pack, and one south of the river. They all communicate back and forth, and they were really riled up, making a lot of noise last night. That is a concern here. We've never had any problems with wolves right on the property, although I have seen them many times crossing through. Best thing to do is just keep alert. While they will prey on something easy to get, coming through an area that's not their territory, typically they don't linger and they don't hunt right here, which is nice for us. Off in the distance you can hear a woodpecker going, and I'm happy to say that our neighbor's hound dogs, that's another indicator of what's going on in the area. Up on the ridgeline behind me, they have quieted down. They were making noise all afternoon. And our 2 boys have come in. They did an extended territory marking today and smelling of the area around the ranch. And they're back now, still on alert, but a little more relaxed. They're playing a little bit. Of course, turning the muck pile, them being white dogs, they have to get into it and become black dogs. Up. I don't know if you're picking up the neighbor's hounds, but there they are in the background making some noise. Anyway, that's just a quick update out here. We're going to move into the shop and look at some other stuff. I got a big project coming on for Backcountry Horsemen of Washington State for their annual auction, and that is in March. I'll have the dates and put those here and a link to their website. Hey, that's sort of cool. Magic. And each chapter, I'm a member of the Ferry County chapter, each chapter has donations that they submit for the auction, and I'm making a pretty nice, pretty intricate, yet to be determined wood carving, and I'll walk through the whole stages of that coming up in future videos. As usual, if you like our content, please subscribe, ring the notification bell for future videos as they are presented and posted online, and hit the like button. And once again, we sure appreciate everything, all the support we get from our community that's already developing. Shout out to Dean. Hey Dean, Hibernia Farms up in Alberta, Canada. Saying hi to you, and looking forward to a collaboration here in the future. That'll be fun. We'll come up with something in the garden, that's for sure. Alrighty, everyone have a nice day, and thanks for joining me.